Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. I am sure you are fine and happy. Today I am here for you with a very useful and new topic of video. Easy kitchen organization hacks. You are looking for smart and efficient ways to store your kitchen essentials. Browse through a roundup of easy and unique kitchen organization hacks and ideas. I am sharing clever ways to make use of your cooking area, including a few die and useful installations in your kitchen. In this video, you can see various genius and easy kitchen organization ideas like pen lid storage ideas, pen storage, fruit storage stand, pantry stuff storage ideas, water bottle organization ideas, crockery organization, broom closet, refrigerator rack, refrigerator holder racks and boxes, space saving kitchen drawers, spices storage drawers, plastic boxes, trays, and spoon storage drawers organization. Add pot racks to your walls or inside your pantry. Add corner shelves. Also add island storage. Kitchen sink organization. Add a paper towel cabinet inside your trash bin drawer or kitchen sink drawer. Design a tea drawer and cup storage racks in your drawers, and many other genius hacks for your kitchen. If you like my video and my poor efforts, then please thumbs up and appreciate me.